Hello, we are back with another video. Today's video is about the strangest places in the world. We live in a world full of secrets, and humans have been trying to discover these secrets since the first day of their existence on Earth. The nature surrounding us is full of mysteries, and 11 of these have piqued the interest of geologists and researchers. So, let's explore these areas together. Number 11. Lut Desert in Iran, the hottest place on Earth. Different theories exist about the hottest place on Earth. While some consider the Al Azizia Desert in Libya and Death Valley in California to be the hottest places on the planet, NASA satellites recorded a bizarre temperature of 71 degrees Celsius in the Lut Desert, making it the highest recorded temperature in a natural setting to date. Number 10. Chimborazo Peak in Ecuador, the highest point from the center of the Earth. Mount Everest at 8,148 meters is the world's highest peak above sea level, but Chimborazo at 6,630 meters is the highest point from the Earth's center. In fact, this peak is 2 kilometers farther from the Earth's center than Everest. Number 9. Tristan Island, the most remote inhabited island, located in the southern part of the Atlantic Ocean. The nearest land to this island is 3,218 kilometers away. With only 272 residents, this island lacks an airport. Interestingly, the island's residents have British postal codes, as it was added to the British colonies in the 1800s. Number 8. Angel Falls in Venezuela, the highest waterfalls in the world, with a height of 984 meters. That is, if you stand under the waterfalls, you will definitely be crushed. Number 7. Desert Canyons of Antarctica, the driest place in the world. These valleys lack snow, rain, water, or vegetation, and have not seen any rain for 2 million years. They might remind you of Mars, as they contain ice and even living creatures beneath the ice. Number 6. Oymyakon in Russia, the coldest residential area, a village in Siberia with a population of 800 people. It has recorded the lowest temperature in the area at 71 degrees Celsius below zero. It's incredibly cold. If you've enjoyed this video, please support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Your engagement helps us reach more people. Thank you for being part of our community. Number 5. Along the Mariana Trench, the deepest point in the world, located in Indonesia and Japan. It reaches a depth of 10,901 meters, which is about 11 kilometers, and was explored by the British Royal Navy in 1951 using the Challenger submarine. To put its depth in perspective, if Mount Everest were placed into this pit, the mountain peak would sink 2 kilometers below the water's surface. The water pressure inside this pit is 1,000 times that of sea level. Number 4. Mount Thor. Mount Thor in Canada is the highest vertical cliff in the world. This mountain has a vertical cliff with a height of 1,250 meters and an average angle of 105 degrees. Number 3. Loro in Colombia is the wettest place in the world, with an average annual rainfall of 12,109 mm. While Cherrapunji in India was previously considered the wettest place, this statistic is subject to change. Number 2. The Dead Sea. The Dead Sea in Jordan is the lowest land on Earth, and the road encircling the lake is the world's lowest road. This sea is named for its extremely high salt concentration, which makes it uninhabitable for most living creatures. And finally, number 1. Bentley Subglacial Trench, the world's thickest ice in West Antarctica. It is the deepest point on the planet, not under the seas or oceans, and is covered by an ice layer with a depth of 2,555 meters. We've now explored 11 of the strangest places in the world. We would be grateful if you could give us your comments.